Qigong is the ability to suck energy in and perceive life from the inside out. Instead of thinking of the end result, we think of the beginning. Instead of looking outside of ourselves, we start by looking inside of ourselves. They're moving meditations, so they're very good for modern people. We tend to think that stress is about being relaxed. The truth is, stress is about adaptability. And the way we become adaptable is to have endless reserves of energy. Adapting to life is what success in life actually is. Everything you're hoping to find is energy. The vacation you want, the new mate you want, all the money you want. The things we actually want are a feeling. That feeling is energy. If you look back when you were young, you were thinking in these terms. Children don't think about going to work tomorrow. They say, I want to be a mountain, Mommy. Let's go make mud pies together. And how can they possibly be excited about something so simple? They're excited about it because they're aware of their energy. They're aware of the energy moving through their body. That creates an excitement. It creates enthusiasm for life. Life becomes inspired.